Hi friend, how are you? I hope everyone is well and healthy. I am Asith Roy, welcome to AR Multimedia Computer YouTube channel. You can look at computer screen change blue color dress into pink color dress in Photoshop. Today I will show and learn how to change any color dress and clothing color replacement in one click using Adobe Photoshop. Now I am going to start my tutorial, so staying with me till the end and watching the completed video. First we go to File for open the photo image. Select Photo, after, Open click. Go to View and select Fit on Screen, keyboard Ctrl+0. Again go to Image. Canvas size, keyboard Alt+Ctrl+C. Show image size. Chalk mark on, Retive. Right to image size, 45.52. Unchalk Retive. Select left anchor point. Select Canvas Extension. Color on white, after OK click. Select Into Move Tools. Keyboard, Alt, press and move the mouse point. Go to Image and select Adjustment. After go to the Replace Color. Select Eyedropper tool. Click on the dress color for choose with Add Color. Again select Eyedropper tools for add the color. Increases fuzziness. Double click on result color. Select any suitable color on the color plate. After OK click. Adjustment on the saturation hue. We see dress color has changed or replaced. OK click. So you understand how to change or replacement dress color in Photoshop. Thanks everyone for watching the tutorial. If you have learned something new by watching my video, please press subscribe my channel and touch bell icon for get upload new tutorial. Please like, share, comments my YouTube channel AR Multimedia. See you in a new tutorial. Stay well, stay healthy.